No feedback yet, guess 0. First accept the cookie banner, then focus the search field and type a distinctive popular title to start narrowing. Inception is a well-known 2010 movie with high IMDb rating, giving good initial signal. Type card is green for Inception, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year card is red with an up arrow, mean target is newer than 2010 by more than 2 years, so 2013 plus. Rating is red with a down arrow, mean target rating is lower than 8.8 by more than 0.5 below tilde 8.3. Genres action and sci-fi are green on target, adventure is gray not on target. No actor or director overlap: Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, Christopher Nolan all not on target. Constraints: movie, newer than 2012, IMDb below tilde 8.3, includes action and sci-fi, no Nolan/DiCaprio. Avoid repeating Inception. Type is green, so target medium equals movie. Year red up arrow means target newer than 2010-2013 plus. Rating red down arrow means below tilde 8.3. Genres action and sci-fi green, adventure gray. Mad Max, Fury Road 2015 is an action/sci-fi movie with IMDb tilde 8.1, fits all constraints and no Nolan/DiCaprio overlap. I select it from drop-down and click Guess to submit. Type card is green for Mad Max, Fury Road, a movie, so target median equals movie. The primary card's partly obscured by drop-down, but here appears green 2015 likely close/same and one card yellow. Genres action and sci-fi green, adventure gray. No actor overlap: Tom Hardy, Charlize Theron, Nicholas Hoult not highlighted and director George Miller not highlighted. Constraints: movie, action plus sci-fi, no adventure, likely around 2013-2017, rating below tilde 8.3, not directed by Nolan/Miller, not DiCaprio/Hardy/Theron/Hoult. Avoid repeating Inception and Mad Max, Fury Road. Type green equals movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2015 yellow with up arrow means target is newer than 2015 within 2 years, so 2016-2017. Rating 8.1 green means target rating is very close to 8.1. Genres action and sci-fi green, adventure gray. So target, movie, tilde 2016-2017, IMDb tilde 8.1, action plus sci-fi but not adventure. Interstellar is 2014 and older, wrong direction, so I'll pick something 2016-2017 action/sci-fi. Actually Interstellar is older, skip it. Better, Rogue One 2016 is action/sci-fi/adventure but has adventure. Doctor Strange 2016 action/adventure/fantasy. Logan 2017 action/drama/sci-fi, rating 8.1 fits well. I will guess Logan instead. My last guess was Interstellar, a movie, type card green, so target medium equals movie. Year 2014 is RED with an up arrow, target is newer than 2014 by more than 2 years, 2017 plus. Rating 8.7 is RED with a down arrow, target rating is lower than 8.7 by more than 0.5 below tilde 8.2. Genres, sci-fi green on target, drama green on target, adventure gray not on target. Actors none highlighted: McConaughey, Hathaway, Chastain not on target, director Christopher Nolan not on target. Combined with Mad Max feedback, target is sci-fi plus drama and action, from earlier, not adventure, year 2017 plus, rating below tilde 8.2. Candidates: Blade Runner 2049-2017, sci-fi/drama, 8.0. Avoid Inception, Mad Max Fury Road, Interstellar. Confirmed from screenshot. Target medium equals movie, type green. Interstellar 2014 year red up arrow equals target newer than 2016. Rating 8.7 red down arrow equals target below tilde 8.2. Genres drama and sci-fi green, adventure gray. From Mad Max, action and sci-fi green, rating 8.1 was green. So target, movie, 2017 plus, sci-fi plus drama plus action, rating tilde 8.0-8.1, no adventure. Blade Runner 2049-2017, sci-fi/drama, IMDb 8.0 fits well. I scroll up to the search field, type it, select and submit. My last guess was Blade Runner 2049, a movie, type card green, so target medium equals movie. Year 2017 is green, same year, 2017. Rating 8 is yellow with an up arrow, target rating is higher than 8 by within 0.5, so tilde 8.1-8.5. Genres, action green and drama green both on target, mystery gray not on target. Actors none highlighted: Harrison Ford, Ryan Gosling, Ana de Armas not on target, director Denis Villeneuve not on target. Combined constraints, movie, year 2017 exactly, IMDb tilde 8.1-8.5, genres include action plus drama plus sci-fi, not adventure, not mystery, not Villeneuve. 2017 action/drama/sci-fi, rated tilde 8.1, for Ragnarok is 2017, but adventure. Logan 2017, action/drama/sci-fi, IMDb 8.1 fits perfectly. Avoid Inception, Mad Max Fury Road, Interstellar, Blade Runner 2049. Target medium equals movie, type green. Blade Runner 2049, year 2017 green, target equals 2017, rating 8 yellow up arrow, target tilde 8.1-8.5, genres action plus drama green, mystery gray. Constraints, 2017 movie, action plus drama plus sci-fi, not mystery/adventure, rating tilde 8.1-8.5. Logan 2017, action/drama/sci-fi, IMDb 8.1 fits perfectly. Scroll up to search, type Logan, select and submit. Nailed it in 5 guesses. Today's answer was Logan 2017. The Blade Runner 2049 guess locked in the year at exactly 2017 with a rating just above 8, and the action plus drama plus sci-fi genre combo without adventure pointed straight at Hugh Jackman's gritty final Wolverine outing. Final score 726.